Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And what we've done is, this is off of a two-place airplane, but this is a piece of your black interior plastic. It makes up your console and a lot of covers. But as you can see from this one, it's fairly filthy. So what we're going to do is we're going to wash it in soap and water. We're going to rinse it. We're going to take these clips off of it and put them back. And then we're going to come back with the Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer, and we're going to use this to make this plastic look shiny and black and new. And this is what you can do on your entire interior of your airplane to make it look a lot better. So stand by while we get started on this piece of restoration. So here's the plastic. Now the first thing that we've done is we've just rinsed it and wiped it down with clear water. Now we're going to soap and water it, rinse it in clear, remove the clips, and then we're going to start in with the Meguiar's Ultimate Black to make this look shiny and new. So stand by while I have some fun. So now this half right here has been done with the Meguiar's. This has just been left clean, and you can see the difference in the shininess and the gloss of the black plastic once you use the Meguiar. So it brings it back, does a real good job of restoring it back to factory condition. So clean and spruce up your interiors. It's springtime and you don't have to go to work right now, so let's take some of that social distance and not distance ourselves from cleaning our plastic. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching.
And